Hello everyone. Welcome back on my YouTube channel. Myself UK Shekhar and I am a weekendpreneur coach helping professionals in creating 5 Sundays per week. Now our main agenda and the main topic of today's video is very unique. We are going to discuss about some learning from the most amazing web series, The Family Man Season 2. Okay, that is available on Amazon Prime, and after that we are going to discuss and we are going to do some live market research, and after that I am going to give you some special gift and bonuses. Now let's come to the topic. आप लोगों में से बहुत से लोगों ने, इवन मैक्सिमम लोगों ने फैमिली मैन सीजन 2 वेब सीरीज देखी होगी. इवन आई वॉच बोथ सीजन 2 times. Okay, and I like very much the actings done by Mr. श्रीकांत तिवारी, मनोज वाजपेयी एंड ऑल अदर कैरेक्टर्स. बट इसका कुछ सीन्स बहुत ज़्यादा मार्केट में फेमस हुए, बहुत ज़्यादा एक हंगामा सोशल मीडिया पे मचा दिया. आई जस्ट वांट टू आस्क यू वन क्वेश्चन. आपका पूरी सीज़न में से, पूरे सीज़न 2 में से कौन सा सीन आपका सबसे ज़्यादा फेवरेट था? कौन सा सीन यू लाइक, दिस सीन इज़ वेरी ह्यूमरस. ओके, यू कैन एक्सप्लेन योर सीन इन कमेंट बॉक्स. ओके, लेट्स take a pause of 5 seconds. You can comment your favorite scene in the comment box. Now the amazing thing is, सब फेवरेट सीन में से जो एक पॉपुलर सीन इस मार्केट में सोशल मीडिया में सबसे ज़्यादा पॉपुलर हुआ, दैट इज़ दिस सीन when Mr. Shrikant Tiwari was hitting his manager, his boss, because उनको जो environment वहाँ मिल रहा था, like how his boss was treating with him, उनको पसंद नहीं आया, and after some phase of frustration उन्होंने ये काम कर दिया. But the thing is, maybe हो सकता है आप में से बहुत से लोगों को अपनी जॉब पसंद हो, you like your job very much, you are very happy with your job because हो सकता है वहाँ का कल्चर, वहाँ का environment बहुत अच्छा हो. But अगर आप इस सीन से रिलेट कर पा रहे हैं एंड यू आर ऑल्सो थिंकिंग कि एक बार मुझे भी ऐसा मौका मिल जाए, देन देयर मे बी ए चांस यू आर गोइंग थ्रू ए फ्रस्ट्रेशन जोन. यू आर नॉट लाइकिंग द एनवायरमेंट जो आपके ऑफिस कल्चर का है. यू आर नॉट लाइकिंग इवन योर जॉब, बट यू कांट क्विट इट सडनली बिकॉज यू एंड योर फैमिली is completely dependent on your salary. But what you can do, we will discuss later. But see, I'm not bashing job here at all. मुझे ऐसा नहीं है कि आप लोगों को जॉब के लिए नेगेटिव करना है. बट द थिंग इज, वी विल डू सम ओपन मार्केट रिसर्च विद सम, वी विल गो थ्रू सम ब्लॉग ऑफ मिस्टर रॉबर्ट टी कियोसाकी and we will discuss some things from there with some open minded. So let's move ahead. I am just going to sharing a screen of my laptop. Let's move ahead. So here is the blog by Mr. Robert T. Kiyosaki. The name is richdad.com and financial security. See, the one amazing thing is you can read this blog. This is a very amazing and super valuable thing. This can blow your mind. I will share the link in description box. But what he's saying, let's do some research analysis. See, the thing is, job security does not equal to financial security. If you are thinking you are enjoying a high paying job and this is financial security for you, what he's saying on this topic, see, his view is, never before have American companies tried so hard to employ so few people. Not even in America, Indian people started like this. They are thinking HR, and most of business owners, corporate owners are thinking like this. They just want to save their financial expenses on salary and so many things they are expensing on their employees. What they are thinking about, can I automate it? If not, can I outsource this? If not, can I give it to an independent contractor or freelancer? They don't want to hire a permanent employee जिसको उनको हर वक्त हर एक फिक्स सैलरी देनी है on each month. They don't want to do this. Even there are a lot of automations are happening in market even after COVID-19. Lot of digital things. Now people are thinking like this. जब एक, just assume you are applying for a job, you are searching a job, और जो आपका employer है वो आपको जब hire कर रहा है, then he is thinking like what? He's thinking like, can I automate this process? Why I am hiring this? Why I am hiring this person? Okay, can I automate it? Can I outsource this? And there are so many things. Just assume the mindset of your employer and just relate the security you are going to avail with this job. Okay, so let's move ahead. what he's talking about, does job security equals to financial security? What he's saying in this article, to be an employee is an illusion of security. You have a steady paycheck but you are not in control. हो सकता है आप एक एम्प्लॉय हैं, देन आपके दिमाग में एक भ्रम हो यू आर ए फाइनेंशियल सिक्योर्ड पर्सन. ओके, आपको एक पे चेक है जो फिक्स है, जो आपके मंथली आएगा, बट ऑल्सो दैट इज नॉट इन योर कंट्रोल. Okay, so this is very very wonderful thing he is sharing about the employment. Okay, and today unfortunately and clarity, it is riskier than ever to be an employee. Okay, now let's move ahead. What he is saying, contractors, automation and robots, oh my, and this is the happening thing. There are so many robotic automations coming in market and people are adapting so fast to automate their business. They just want to keep their things in shorter and in automation. Okay, now the thing is the big danger of the gig economy and owning a job. Agar aap ek job person hai, you are an employee, then there may be some unfortunate chance there is no security. Okay, now let's do some more research analysis what he is saying about the pattern of job security. What he's talking about, he's talking about here the ESBI model stuff, and he's saying the left hand side, E and S जो type के people होते हैं, employed and self employed, they just want to be reliable on their salary and a fixed salary month on month. They are looking for security. Their mindset is only on focused on security. But there is another quadrant like B and I. There is a main thing is main agenda is freedom. And obviously when security thing happen in your life, या फिर आप एक secured person है, तब आप freedom की side जा पाएंगे. But E and S category people are only stuck in security kind of thing. Okay, now there should be one target, one goal for each and every person. They should shift their self from E to S category, from B to I category, from left to right. But इसका मतलब ये नहीं है you have to jump in a one shot, you have to quit your job. No, you can do some parallel stuff, you can do some gigs on weekends, you can be a part of weekendpreneur, and with that after 1 or 2 years you can shift wisely from E as category to B and I category. Okay, don't quit job suddenly because you and your family are reliable and dependent on your job, on your salary. So don't do that with some motivation. Okay, so do take a smart decision. You can become a weekendpreneur, you can acquire some knowledge on weekendpreneurship, then you can transfer yourself from E to S category to B to I category by doing some stuff, by doing some side hustle on weekends without disturbing your current profession. Okay, so let's move ahead what he's talking about. So there is a one thing what he's saying, at a minimum I recommend becoming educated in financial security, which is feeling confident about your job and also confident about your ability to invest in both good and bad side. Okay, so this is the kind of financial security path that you can choose. अगर आप एक job में हैं और या फिर you are self employed, you are reliable on some salary paychecks, then you can shift yourself by doing some side hustle equally with your current profession. Okay, but if you have it in you, the best path and one of the hardest is choosing financial freedom. It takes a high level of financial education to succeed in the B and I quadrant. See, this is not a get rich quick scheme कि आपको हाथ लग जाए and you shift from E to E and S category to B and I category. So it also take a lot of passion and commitment and hard work and a lot of things. Okay, so let's move ahead. The another article and the wonderful thing he's sharing about is three types of income. There are three types of income you can acquire from the market, and there is different impact on your wealth. Okay, so one is earned income, second is portfolio income, and third is passive income. So let's see one by one what are the types of income. Okay, so there is one type of income is earned income. So जो उनका cash flow quadrant formula है, what he is talking about कि जो employee category and as category self employed category होती है, like you can say if you have a job and receive a paycheck, you make your money through earned income. Okay, if you are in a job, अगर आप job में हैं या फिर आप किसी भी ऐसे काम में इन्वॉल्व हैं जहां पे आप अपना पे चेक गेन करते हैं as a money through earned income. Okay, so you are in the quadrant of E and S category. So there is some examples like There are some example. When you earn money through a paycheck, you are exchanging time for money. Okay, right? This is a well and good thing. For example, when you work as an employee, as a web designer, as a grocery store cashier, or as a police officer, you are getting paid a predetermined amount of money X to do that job for certain amount of time Y. Okay, you are spending some time, you are investing some time, you are giving your time to someone, and you will receive some amount of money as paycheck. But the thing is, this is predetermined, या पहले से फिक्स होता है कि आपको कितना paycheck मिलने वाला है. Okay, what is the advantage of the earned income? Okay, advantage, what is the advantage is earned income is a good choice for those with a low financial IQ. What is the financial IQ? Is not the normal IQ. You are not dumb if you are doing a job. No, we are not bashing job at all. The thing is, what he is saying, earned income is a good choice for those with a low financial IQ. Why? The formula is very simple. I will do X job and you will pay me Y money. In a good economy, if you do the job well, it's very stable and you can count a certain amount of money coming into your pocket each month. आपके लिए एक फिक्स अमाउंट ऑफ मनी हो जाएगा जो आपके पॉकेट में, आपके वॉलेट में हर महीने आएगा इफ यू आर डूइंग ए हाई पेइंग जॉब. Okay, now there are another thing you can imagine here is like this. In many cases, if you do a very good job, you get a raise and get even more money in your pocket each month. Now, what is the disadvantage of earned income? For many people who make their money through earned income, it's often just enough money to cover basic monthly expenses. जो आपके monthly expenses हैं उनको ध्यान में रखते हुए उतनी ही amount of income आपके पास में month end पे आएगी. ओके, लिविंग लिटिल टू नो मनी लेफ्ट टू इन्वेस्ट. आपके पास में अपनी फैमिली पर स्पेंड करने के बाद में, अपने पेरेंट्स पे स्पेंड करने के बाद में, अपने चिल्ड्रन पे स्पेंड करने के बाद में, उनके एजुकेशन पे, एजुकेशन ऑफ योर चिल्ड्रन एंड सो मेनी एक्सपेंसेस you having in your monthly basis, then after that no money left to invest. Okay, for most E and SS category, they are saying living paycheck to paycheck. Living paycheck to paycheck. वो paycheck to paycheck के ऊपर डिपेंड है. पैसा आएगा तब हम नेक्स्ट मंथ जिएंगे, वी विल सर्वाइव, और वो सर्वाइव करते करते दैट अमाउंट विल फिनिश्ड. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल, जो आप सभी लोग देखते होंगे, मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल व्हाट दे आर डूइंग विद देयर फुल टाइम जॉब, they are doing some part-time job or some freelancing work. Most of the IT and CS types of people, they are doing some freelancing for web designing and all of these stuff with their full-time job. Okay, most of government employees and so many people, because their job, their payout is just for their monthly expenses. Now what they are doing, they are investing in stock market. They are trying to shift from E to S category to B to I category. Okay, now see the second income. If the next type of income is portfolio income. Okay, what is portfolio income? Where earned income is acquired by exchanging time for money. Exchanging time for money. Portfolio income is made through capital gains. Okay, अर्न इनकम क्या होती थी? आप टाइम के बदले मनी एक्सचेंज करते थे. बट व्हाट इज द पोर्टफोलियो इनकम? इज मेड थ्रू कैपिटल गेन्स. पैसे से पैसा. यू आर अर्निंग मनी थ्रू मनी. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, व्हेन समवन बाय स्टॉक, आपने एक स्टॉक परचेज कर लिया फ्रॉम द स्टॉक मार्केट एंड दे प्लान ऑन सेलिंग द सेम स्टॉक ऑन हायर प्राइसेस. जस्ट फॉर एग्जाम्पल, you buy a stock at $10, okay, today, and price goes up to $40. When they sell the stock, they make $30 in capital gains. Okay, you invested some amount of money and you earn some amount of profit. अगर ये $10 ज्यादा होता, then obviously the profit will be ज्यादा होता. Now the thing is, जितना investment उतना आपका profit. But and the another example of portfolio income is house flipping. You purchase a rundown home in nice neighborhood, invest a bunch money upfront to improve it, and then hope you can sell it at high enough price to order to make some nice profit. This can be another thing of portfolio income. Now there is one advantage. What is the advantage? Is portfolio income can make you a lot of money in short amount of time. When the economy is on fire, it can seem like no brainer to buy low and sell high. ओके, और इफ यू हैव इनसाइडर इंफॉर्मेशन, अगर आपके पास में कुछ ऐसी इंफॉर्मेशन है कि कब खरीदना है, कब बेचना है, देन आपका गेम कोई नहीं रोक सकता. Now there is one disadvantage of portfolio income also. See what he is saying. It's hard enough for sophisticated investors to make money consistently with portfolio income because it is speculation. Because of some speculation running in market, जो sophisticated investors होते हैं उनके लिए consistently वहां से profit gain करना is very very tough. Okay, it's very risky. Maybe there are some chances, अगर आपका financial IQ low है, then you can lose some money because of some speculations. Okay, and who are following the herd, मतलब जो लोग सुनी सुनाई बातों को सुन रहे हैं और कुछ भी follow कर रहे हैं, then there may be chances you can gain some losses. If you get in late in the game, you can be, they see there is a one thing in this type of things कि अगर आप पोर्टफोलियो इनकम के अंदर जा रहे हैं, यू आर रनिंग द मार्केट, पता चला बाद में कुछ रूल्स चेंज हो गए, देयर आर सम स्पेकुलेशंस आल्सो, एंड आपका जो लगाई हुई अमाउंट थी दैट विल बी on a risk. Okay, so this is the major disadvantage of the portfolio income. Now the another type of income is passive income. What is passive income? What he mentioned about my rich dad used the formula, वो अपने rich dad के formula के बारे में बता रहे हैं. That formula is 4 greenhouses and 1 red hotel in the game of Monopoly. The game of Monopoly he had given earlier, and the thing is to describe how you can make passive income, the third and final type of income. Okay, see what is the passive income. See, according to cash flow quadrant, those on the right side business owners B and I category make money by acquiring assets that provide consistent cash flow. See, there is a kind of one business जो हमेशा आपसे investment मांगता है. Okay, but we are not talking about that. We are talking about you are creating some assets. We are not talking about कि आपने एक फैक्ट्री खड़ी कर दी, उस फैक्ट्री को खड़ा करने के लिए आपने बहुत सारा lakhs crores में इन्वेस्टमेंट डाला, और उस फैक्ट्री को चलाने के लिए भी आपको बहुत सारे lakhs and crores में इन्वेस्टमेंट डालने पड़ रहे हैं, तब जाके आपके पास में पैसा आए जा रहा है. But you have put a lot of investment in that particular business. Okay, but we are talking about acquiring assets that provide consistent cash flow. See, in Rich Dad Poor Dad, I explained in greater details. Let's move it. Example of passive income. See, sophisticated investor invest. See one thing, what he's saying, जो sophisticated investors होते हैं, उनका जो वो primarily जो invest करते हैं amount that is for passive income. What is the example for passive income is a rental property. आपके पास में एक मकान है, आपने बना दिया, and वो आपको हर महीने that is paying you a cash flow, okay, as rent, just like a monopoly. या फिर on a business that is profitable, not you are putting investment again and again and again, or creating product like ebook or a maybe a physical book or a game that pays you money each month in the form of royalty or subscriptions. That kind of income. You can take example of Amazon Prime, जो हमने example लिया था फैमिली मैन का, वहां से हम यहाँ पहुंच गए. But what is happening there? Amazon Prime is earning a most beautiful type of passive income on the base of subscriptions. Okay, so this is the kind of thing that you have invested one time. आपने एक बार investment लगाया. There are lot of things. Even we are providing some projects in our weekendpreneurship program where we teach people how they can build their online business with minimum investment, with some programs, with some projects where they can start with 5,000 to 30,000 rupees. Lifetime investment only once, मतलब लाइफ में एक बार इन्वेस्टमेंट किया. They are not there is no running expenses, and also that is not much investment, and after that they can create a model with our help. They can create a system that can pay them amount of money in form of royalty and or a subscriptions. Okay, means regular cash flow. Advantage, what is the advantage is, again there is a advantage and disadvantage also for passive income. Perhaps the best advantage of passive income is that once you have an asset, it provides cash flow whether you are working or not. Okay, so यहाँ पे maybe there is a clear thing कि if you are owning a फैक्ट्री और आप उसके रोज जाना पड़ रहा है, फैक्ट्री आपको खोलनी पड़ रही है, तभी पैसा आएगा. इफ द प्रोडक्शन इज रनिंग ऑन, तभी आपकी अर्निंग होगी. नो, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द सिस्टम वेयर whether you are not working, you will वन सेकेंड, ओके, यू विल अर्न द अमाउंट ऑफ कैश फ्लो, आपके पास में वो आएगा. मनी कीप्स कमिंग इन टू योर पॉकेट एंड यू आर फ्री टू डू अदर थिंग्स. Okay, that is the main agenda and the vision and or you can say mission statement of my weekendpreneurship program. Creating 5 Sundays per week, live a life by working less and living more. See, just imagine one thing, you invested your 1 or 2 years in weekendpreneurship, you are building your side hustle on weekends without disturbing your job and profession. And what happened after that, आपको जब फील होने लगता है कि yes, your side gig, your weekend hustle is paying you so for that you can quit your job, then just imagine you have 5 extra days in your life. Now what you can do, there is one option, जो business आप weekends पे कर रहे थे, you can boost that up, you can expand that, or otherwise you can give all these 5 days to your passion. बहुत से लोगों का पैशन होता है सिंगिंग, डांसिंग, बेकिंग एंड देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स जिनको अपनी जॉब या बिजनेस में स्टक होने के कारण दे were not able to continue that. So you can invest that time in that particular your passion, or you can do some social work. Like my vision is to utilize my extra time in some renewable energy or environment friendly stuffs to aware people and do some research and develop some projects. Okay, so there may be your agenda, your life goal, but just imagine what you can do with this extra time. You can live more life with your own family, you can spend time with them, there's so many things. But also this is not a get rich quick scheme, you have to do some hard work and have some patience. Now what is the disadvantage with this passive income is it takes a high financial IQ and patience to invest successfully for passive income. There is not a such thing कि आपके पास में पैसा है तो आप उसको लगा करके और you have to keep some patience. There are some things you have to you can invest your time also on weekends or daily 1 to 2 hours, and without disturbing your current job, we will give you some extraordinary roadmap plan. I can show you some extraordinary 1 year plan like this you can see in my video. So there are so many things you can do on weekends, but the main thing is you should do, because if you are doing a job that is not financial secure, right now you are feeling like कि month का इतना amount आ जाता है, lakhs of rupees, 2 lakhs of rupees. But what we have analyzed from this research, there are lot of things you should do with your job. Okay, so there is one option like weekendpreneurship, you can start it without disturbing your current job and profession. And also here is some gift for you, so let's move ahead and grab your gift and bonus. So here are your gift and bonus. Now if you want to explore the thing weekendpreneurship that I mentioned many times in this video, weekendpreneurship is a complete program of 1 to 2 years. With that you can develop, you can build your digital system by hustling, by working on weekends without disturbing your current job. And the main goal will be you can create 5 Sundays per week without disturbing your current job. You can achieve a lifestyle of working less, living more with your family, for your passion or whatever you want to do. Okay, see, I just want to clear one thing, this is not a get rich quick scheme. This will take your some time, your patience, your passion, your hard work and so many things, but the ultimate goal is I just want to give you a lifestyle of freedom. Now if you want to book a one-to-one consultancy call with me to explore this thing, to understand, know more about weekendpreneurship and how you can do with your kind of job you are doing, so you can book a one-to-one consultancy call for 30 minutes with me. Mostly this is a paid, generally ये paid होता है, but you can book 100% discount. You can book with 100% discount, absolutely free, a consultancy call with me for 30 minutes. There is a link in description box. इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक है, आप वहाँ से अपना टाइम स्लॉट एंड डेट सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. दैट इज अवेलेबल अकॉर्डिंग टू माई शेड्यूल फॉर नेक्स्ट 1 to 2 weeks. एंड कीप चेकिंग, जैसे जैसे अपडेट होता जाता है यू कैन बुक योर कंसल्टेंसी कॉल एंड लेट्स have some interaction, have some discussion on your kind of job, how you can become a weekendpreneur, and after that how you can develop 5 Sundays per week for yourself, so you can live with your family, for your passion, for whatever you want to do you can live. But this is not a get rich quick scheme. Okay, now the second gift for you is the book, ebook, Rich Dad Poor Dad. If you want to read hard book, I will give the link, you can purchase from Amazon. But if you want to read ebook absolutely free, there is a link again in description box where you can fill the form and you can get your ebook absolutely free. Okay, so I just want to wish you a very good luck. If you want to become a weekendpreneur, get in touch with me. Just be in touch on Instagram and social media. Book a one-to-one consultancy call absolutely free, and let's see what we can do for you, how we can help you. Okay, thank you so much. Goodbye. I wish you a very good luck and huge success in your life. Let's